Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to fix the PayPal error. We're having trouble with this transaction. This common issue can occur due to account, card, or browser problems. Let's get started. First, check your payment method. Ensure your linked credit or debit card has sufficient funds and hasn't expired. Next, verify your PayPal account. Make sure your email and account details are confirmed and updated. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try using a different browser or device to eliminate temporary issues. After that, check for restrictions. Some transactions may be blocked due to country, account limits, or PayPal security policies. Contact PayPal support if needed. Now, try the transaction again. If it still fails, consider using a different payment method or splitting the payment into smaller amounts. Finally, contact PayPal support if none of these steps work. Provide them with error details for faster resolution. That's it. Following these steps should help fix the "we're having trouble with this transaction" error and let you complete your PayPal payment smoothly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.